To the question about the Supreme Court ruling this morning, one, the president has obviously been at former Senator Dole's funeral for the majority of the day, but we will be issuing a statement in his name. We naturally wanted him to see and review and edit first, so you will all be getting that shortly. But let me just note that the president is very concerned by the Supreme Court's decision allowing SB 8 to remain in effect, given the consequences the law has for women in Texas and around the country and for the rule of law. I know you noted this, but I would just like to reiterate that the president is deeply committed to the constitutional right recognized in Roe v. Wade, and he has argued and advocated in the past for codifying Roe through passing the Women's Health Protection Act. And the ruling this morning is a reminder of how much these rights are at risk. And how women across the country who have now, in Texas especially, it's been 101 days since this was put in place, 101 days, where their health, their access to what has been law of the land for many decades now has been questioned and put and challenged. And so this is just a reiteration of how much, a reinforcement, I should say, of how important it is to codify Roe and move forward with the Women's Health Protection Act. And he's certainly hopeful that they will move forward with that. It's already passed the House, so in the Senate. I would note in terms of additional administration actions, HHS announced a department-wide response to protect patients and providers in response to Texas Law SB 8. These actions include, and they will continue to be built upon in coordination with the Gender Policy Council here, issuing Title 10 grant support for health service providers, with Title 10 grantees receiving significant funding to support expansion of family planning services, as well as plan to expand access to emergency contraception and family planning services to any eligible applicant. These are steps that have already been underway, but we will continue to explore what more can be done.